or facial moisturizer need to be boxed, ready to post. I just want to quickly just look at something, all right? Please indulge me whilst I just had the quick thought. How interesting. So, yeah, that's fascinating. I wonder how many people search for moisturizer for dogs. This is exactly how I spend the majority of my time. How freaking interesting. Anybody looking for an idea for a product, moisturizer for dogs is an interesting one, because the top result, so ignore the sponsored, who cares, ignore those. Here's your top 4 results, okay? Your top one has got 849 results. Your 4th one has got 143. Pretty big numbers, but numbers 2 and 3 have got 32 and 44 respectively reviews. That is not insurmountable. Not insurmountable at all. Moisturizer for dogs, consider that. All right, let's go back in time. And let's go here to our shampoo. So here's the thing with Amazon. Your products that you send into Amazon, if they are liquids, and a shampoo is a liquid, then Amazon will want to see that you have got a tight lid on it, so the lid's not just going to fall off and the gunk's not going to gunk everywhere. They want to see that. They also want to see a double seal. Now, a double seal either means a child safety top or a plastic wrap. It's been vacuum plastic wrapped around the top of it. One of those two things. Now, if it doesn't have those two things, then you must put it into a polythene bag, so a poly bag, which has got a suffocation warning on it, with a suffocation warning on it, so it must have that. They will also, regardless of the double seal cap pluggy bag thing, drop it from a height of 3 feet and see if it splats open. That's called a 3-foot drop test. They will definitely do that. So if you're thinking of selling anything on Amazon, it's a really good idea to go and research what standards Amazon will hold you to as far as your packaging goes, all right? But they're very, very consistent. The double seal with the tight fitting lid, if you don't have those, they'll want you to put it in a placky bag with a warning on it. I would suggest, if you can, to do both of them, because Amazon will love you a long time for that, and they'll also drop it as well, which for most things is fine. But they'll drop it as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.